How is your career in Blackwater?
Pre, masaya. Hindi, with Blackwater, kung ma-answer ko, it's something that I wouldn't trade for with anything else. Ito, like yung experience, the people I get to work with, yung mga challenges, just day to day, super grateful ako and blessed to be a part of everything. Kasi I do believe na ang dami kong natutunan that I wouldn't learn from anywhere else. So right from there, as a young, kahit as ngayon na I think I'm 7 going 8 years sa pagiging strength and conditioning coach, I'm in a position where I can learn, and gano'n naman yung mindset eh. And luckily, I'm around players and coaches who have that same mindset, yung growth mindset. So, sobrang blessed yung experience. And with Blackwater kasi, what I love about our team, we are there to prove others wrong. We are there to prove everyone wrong na not giving us a chance or somehow na-overlooked, di ba? Medyo may underdog mentality kasi pagka nasa ganong team. So, masaya yung ganon na, okay, we're out here to work and really prove our worth. Siguro, hindi naman din sa iba, pero to ourselves din na we can be better. So, parang yun yung takeaway ko with being, I think one of the reasons din kaya I'm still with the team kasi nandun yung growth mindset na yun and yung opportunity to get better. So, super fun, super grateful. Again, kung bibigyan ako ng opportunity to go somewhere, medyo pag-iisipan ko talaga. Pero if I will be having an opportunity to still work and nandun pa rin yung trust ng management, ng coaches, ng players, I'll still be with Blackwater.